Okay, so I was actually able to come in and take a peek. Just had to supply my driver's license, but we get to take a look inside here. It's really nice. Yeah, okay. We're not gonna go, I guess, over there because it's a court, which I really didn't realize it was a working courthouse, which makes it even cooler that they still have this awesome building and they're still using it, which is great. A lot of places just, you know, they use the, they don't use the buildings anymore. There's like a yin and yang symbol up there. Let's see. Huh. So I guess we can go up and down, so let's go take a peek. Look at these awesome seats. Wow. So like you can go to the museums and stuff, but this is ridiculously pretty. I really can't believe it. Wow. I love the roof. Very cool. Okay, so I accidentally broke the broadcast, but yeah. And there's the museum where we were earlier. Pretty cool. Let's go check this out over here. Wow, look at the lights. Those are really cool lights. See if I can zoom in. Look at that. Wow, let's go see what we got over here. Wow, that's cool. This says it's part of the Chihuly walking tour stop. Basket drawing wall. Huh. And I guess they're supplied by the TAM, which is the Tacoma Art Museum, I believe. Man, that's pretty. Wow, I love that ceiling. You know, there's actually a hotel in Bellevue that has a similar ceiling like that. Let me get a look over here. There's just so much to look at. Check this out. Let me zoom in on this one. I don't think I can get it. There we go. Look at that. Super cool. Wow, the echo in here is very intense. Love the architecture. Okay, look at this cool shot with the stairs and the seating and the pattern on the floor. Pretty neat. So this is actually the back side, but you can still get a pretty cool view of what's going on. Wow. Man, that's neat. So this was just going to be like a long walking video, but I'm not sure if we're going to have to cut it up now a little bit or what. I think we're gonna go, apparently we can go down. Oh, look at the cool spiral steps. Whoa, this is pretty interesting. Whoa, it's like a lounge. Wow. You can get the street level. We have the U.S. Court Entry Pacific Avenue level. Elevator restrooms. Huh. Look at that. Wow. So these are emergency exits only. Oh, they have some nice plants. Look, some nice roses. Wow. Oh, look, to waiting room. Oh, cool. They have more art. Oh, here we go. Lantern used by switchmen at Union. Passenger station. Look at these photos. Oh, that's neat. Oh, it's a yin and yang symbol, but it's for the Northern Pacific Company. Huh. I like this notice. Do not spit on sidewalk. And the lights are neat. Wow, look. So that must be where we're at right now. You can see the steps, or not steps, the seats were there. Got some more train stuff. There's some plates, Union Station plates. Wow. Reminds me of the train station in New York a little bit. Wow. Looks like Western Times there. Cool, cool, cool. Hopefully the 4K is capturing everything adequately. Was that elevator, US Court entry, Pacific Avenue, Rotunda balcony. Let's go look at some of the other art. There's another of the stairwells. I think one of the other corners. We have some cool photography there. I really like that top one. Look at that. Wow. Look, lunching is prohibited. Very neat. Very, very cool. And that says to street. Oh, these are bathrooms. Chicago, Milwaukee Street, St. Paul and Pacific Railroad. Wow. That's intense. And then that's, I don't know what a rotunda is. Let's go down here. Okay, I guess the elevator goes to the balcony rotunda. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Look, there's they have train cars in Tacoma. Check it out. That's cool. All right, so I'm gonna end the video here. It might be 2 videos. So thank you for watching. And yeah, it was pretty neat. We got to walk around the art museum, look at the Chihuly stuff, and then this building, which is pretty neat. So I'll see you guys next time on the Emilio Exploring channel. I think there's some vending machines, and I might get something to drink. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Look at this. It's pretty neat. So I went in that little vending machine room, and I noticed that there's like a back section. I don't know what that is, like a kitchen? I don't know, but it's a little strange. Look at that. Wow, okay, this is the real goodbye. Oh look, there's little trains right there. And right there, look. All right, bye.